presenting a pre-owned 2005 Toyota Sequoia SR5. 2005 Toyota Sequoia SR5. Big V8 power, built for real life. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 4.7-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 168,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city and 17 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Meet the 2005 Toyota Sequoia SR5, the full-size SUV that refuses to blend into the background. Powered by Toyota's legendary 4.7L V8 producing 282 horsepower and 325 lb-ft of torque, it delivers confident acceleration, strong towing capability, and classic V8 character. Finished in factory natural white with a light charcoal leather interior, this Sequoia looks clean, sits tall, and feels ready for whatever duty you throw its way. With below 168,000 miles, under 8,000 miles per year on average, it's in excellent overall condition and backed by a clean CARFAX. Fuel economy is rated at approximately 14 miles per gallon city/17 miles per gallon highway. Honest numbers for a capable, body-on-frame SUV. Inside, you'll find leather-trimmed seating, 3 rows of spacious seating, power windows, locks and mirrors, remote keyless entry, cruise control, tilt steering, and climate control with rear vents. The factory stereo includes AM/FM and CD, while alloy wheels and roof rails add both function and style. Safety. Key features include power windows, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.